DIY, modern builder style. Check, have and respect. Agent Saska here again with H&L's Modern Builder. Now, one of the easiest ways to beautify a space is to introduce vegetation, ornamentals, or even, some veggies or something like that. So today we're gonna do a little planter box right here. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do is prepare the area. I have a fork here, and we're gonna get to it. You want to soften up the space, right? If you have only a machete, it might work, but Jano, that rough. This will get it done much faster. All right, so we're not quite done. We'll add some more for some more color, but you get the main idea. Remember, you can get your stuff at H&L Agro. Signing out, Agent Sasko. See you next time.